Introducing the Nothing CMF Watch Pro 2, a wonderful blend of style and cutting-edge tech. With its sleek aluminium alloy body, interchangeable bezels, and 1.32-inch AMOLED display, it offers both durability and elegance. Track your heart rate, sleep, stress, and SpO2 with CMF app. Plus, the built-in GPS with 5 satellite positioning systems ensures precise activity tracking. Take Bluetooth calls with AI noise reduction and customize your look with 100+ watch faces, including always-on options. With up to 11 days of battery life, it's built to keep up with you. Elevate your everyday with CMF Watch Pro 2.